Hong Kong's economy saw a marked deterioration in the first quarter of 2022, as real gross domestic product (GDP) contracted by 4% from a year earlier, reversing the growth trend in the previous 4 quarters. Total exports of goods worsened and fell by 4.5% year-on-year in real terms in the first quarter. Exports to the mainland fell sharply, while those to the United States, the European Union and other major markets in Asia posted moderate growth. Private consumption expenditure declined by 5.5% in real terms from a year earlier, amid a drastic fall in people flow and deteriorating labour market conditions. Overall investment expenditure saw an enlarged year-on-year decline of 8.4% in real terms as business sentiment worsened. The labour market was under severe pressure as the seasonally adjusted unemployment rate rose from 4% in the fourth quarter of 2021 to 5% in the first quarter of 2022, reversing the downward trend since early 2021.
Global economic prospects have worsened, which may continue to weigh on Hong Kong's export performance. At the same time, major central banks are expected to expedite their monetary policy tightening in light of rising inflation. Domestically, economic activities should see some revival going forward, alongside the receding local epidemic and progressive relaxation of social distancing measures. The government's various support measures, including the new round of the Consumption Voucher Scheme, the 2022 Employment Support Scheme, and the Temporary Unemployment Relief Scheme, will render additional support.
Real GDP growth forecast for the whole of 2022 has been revised down to 1 to 2% from 2% to 3.5%. Forecasts for underlying and headline consumer price inflation for 2022 are maintained at 2% and 2.1% respectively.